Ada, can I confess something?
Uh-oh, what did you do?
I survived the whole Kubernetes meetup without understanding a single thing.
Not even one thing?
I heard pods, nodes, deployments after being checked out.
You should have asked.
Everyone else was nodding. I didn't want to be the only confused person.
Trust me, half the room was probably pretending too.
Seriously?
Seriously, come on, let's walk. I'll explain Kubernetes before our bus gets here.
That's a dangerous promise.
Welcome to Kubernetes. Think of this whole city as one Kubernetes cluster.
Whoa! Where did this city come from? So Kubernetes isn't just one computer?
Exactly. It's the whole city working together.
So the mayor works here?
Something like that. It keeps the whole city running smoothly.
This place looks busy.
Oh, because this is where the work happens. It's called a worker node.
So City Hall gives orders, and these buildings do the work?
See this apartment? That's a pod.
Looks small.
It is, but it's where your application lives.
So pods are like tiny homes for apps?
Exactly.
Who's that?
That's the deployment manager. If one pod disappears, he replaces it.
He never takes a break?
Not if you want your app online.
What's this desk for?
This is a service. Instead of looking for every pod, people come here. It always knows where the pods are.
Like a hotel reception?
Exactly.
Let's see. Let me see if I've got it. The cluster is the whole city. The control plane makes the decisions. The worker nodes do the work. My application runs inside a pod. The deployment replaces broken pods. The service gives users one stable way to reach my application. Hold on, I actually understand Kubernetes now.
See, it's not complicated. It was just explained the wrong way.
Next meetup, I will be the one nodding for the right reasons.
That's the spirit.